Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at whether you can actually earn money just by typing and also by just filling in captcha forms. So whether you're looking to make some money from home and you just want to spend a little bit of time typing on your laptop or on your computer and filling in captcha forms, this is the video that you're going to need to watch right to the very end. We're going to show you how you can actually sign up for a site called 2Captcha.com. And we're going to show you how you can actually go and use their website to earn money from home just by typing in captcha forms. We're going to show you how much money you can actually earn and whether it is going to be worth your time. So let's go and show you exactly how you sign up for 2Captcha.com and how you can actually start earning money and work for them just typing on your laptop or computer. Okay, so let's show you exactly what you have to do with 2Captcha.com. Come up to the sign up button here, click on that. This will open up this page here, which is a registration page. You've just got to fill in your email, your password, and password again. And you've got a preferred, click on the preferred currency. Mine would be Great Britain pounds, but you have got USD here as well. And you have to obviously agree with the terms and policies from the company by ticking the box here. Then just click continue. You can also sign up with Google and with Facebook. As you can see from the website here, it says here you can actually do captcha solving service. But we want to actually do a work for 2Captcha. So we want to actually work and get paid to actually fill in captcha forms. Once you've signed up, you can then just click on the sign in button here. So very simple. And as you can see here, this is a very simple task here. And what I've got it set on here, if you click on this box up here, this gives you a option of being a developer, a worker, or a customer. We want to be a worker. Now you've got different things here on your desktop. You've got your balance, and actually I've actually earned 1 cent. Now this is the only thing with the captcha forms. It's not going to pay an awful lot of money. You're not going to be able to give up your job or anything like this, but it could give you an extra little income that's coming in every single month just by doing a short bit of typing into your laptop or PC. Now, one thing you do have to do, you do have to take a small test when you first start out, and just so that you can understand how the captchas work, and also they just make sure you are obviously not a robot or anything, but you can actually use their actual robots to do this. And as you see, click on Start Work here. And you can, it says to earn more funds, please use our apps for Android and Windows desktop. You will be able to solve captchas with higher rates. So I haven't so far used these. If you wanted to, I would check them out first and make sure they're all okay. But just be careful of anything you actually download. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you smash up the like button for us. This is going to help us go up the algorithms. Make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel as well, because you're going to get notified every time we make more videos just like this. You can just click on remind me later. And this is how easy it is to actually go and start doing this. You literally just click on start work here. And this is one of the captchas. It says here I've got to click on the motorbikes. So there's one there, one there, one there, and one there. And then just put send. As you can see, I've now earned a little bit of cash up the top here. And here's another one. So like I say, very easy to do. And there we go. We've got another bit of cash there. So we're going up really nicely. As you can see, this takes just a few seconds to do, just typing into your computer, guys. So very, very easy work that you can do from your home PC or your laptop. There's another one. You're just looking at bridges. So one there, one there, one there, and one there, and click send. And this is doing it manually. And as you can see, again, we've now earned a little bit more money here. So if we come back down to the desktop as well, obviously this hasn't changed because I've only earned a very few hundreds of a cent so far. And you do have to obviously click quite a few times. But if you're using their software, and a lot of people have used their software and find that they can earn some a reasonable amount of money per month. If you go across to a site called TrustPilot, TrustPilot. Now, just be wary of the 2Captcha website. Like I say, probably just don't download any of the captures to your PC or to your laptop. They have at the moment had some of their Trustpilot have suspended some of their actual reviews because they're looking into the website and they haven't claimed their profile and things like that. So just be wary at the moment. It looks as if there could be um, some irregularities on them posting their reviews. So just be very careful of this. So once you've actually got some money behind you, you could then obviously go and get paid out. Now, the only thing is that's a little bit alarming again at the moment is it says, please note payouts to PayPal, Western Union, and bank account are not available and will never be available. So it does worry me how you're actually going to get paid out because on the front of their website, it says on the bottom here, Visa, WebMoney, PayPal, and Alipay. So obviously there are other ways that you can actually get paid, but PayPal, if PayPal are not being used and they're not doing a bank transfer, then it does obviously just a little bit of a red flag there. But I'm sure this is possibly a legit site that you can actually go and earn money just by filling in captchas on your website. But like I say, it's only going to get you probably a few bucks every single month. It's not going to be life-changing money. But in saying that, it is obviously going to be quite good and very easy work to do. Very simple, as you can see in this video. If you're looking for something where you can actually build into a full-time income online, then check out these videos right at the end of this video, where there's loads of different ways you can actually start and earn money that you can build into a full-time income. Also, you might want to join me in my online community, which you can get through via my link in the description about my #1 recommended way of earning money online. So check that out as well. Okay, I trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.